Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make peanut butter pretzel nuggets. Start with the essentials for delicious peanut butter pretzel nuggets. First, gather 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, ensuring it's smooth for the best texture. Next, you'll need 2 cups of small pretzel twists or snaps. These provide that perfect salty crunch. Don't forget 1/2 cup of powdered sugar to sweeten the filling, and 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter to bind everything together. These simple ingredients are the foundation of your tasty treat. Now, let's create that irresistible peanut butter filling. In a medium bowl, combine your 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. Stir these ingredients together thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, uniform consistency. The mixture should be thick enough to easily form into small balls. For easier handling, chill the filling in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. With your filling ready, it's time for assembly. Take a small amount of the chilled peanut butter mixture, about 1 teaspoon, and roll it into a ball. Then, gently flatten this ball into a small disc, roughly 1 inch in diameter. Place 1 pretzel twist or snap on top of the flattened disc. Carefully press another pretzel on top, sandwiching the peanut butter filling between the 2 pretzels. Repeat this process for all your nuggets. Almost there. Once all your peanut butter pretzel nuggets are assembled, arrange them in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This prevents sticking. Now, place the entire sheet into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows the peanut butter filling to firm up completely, ensuring your nuggets hold their shape perfectly. Once chilled, they are ready to be enjoyed. Store any leftovers in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.